2 HVACs. Let's see if we can, oh, there's spider webs all through there. But this is from '06 and it is 20 years old. And it looks like we got some rust over here as well. Is it worth it? That's what we're here today in Adamstown to try to figure out at this house. It is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath home, and it is asking $645,000. Buyer's on the way. We're gonna go jump in and see. Is it worth it? Starting outside, we have a split north and south here with a nice large median in the middle. Got great landscaping on this house. Nice front porch. Nice brick retaining wall. Tree is definitely overgrown and needs to be cut back. Looks like we got a little lift under the foundation there. 2 HVACs. Let's see if we can, oh, there's spider webs all through there. I'm not crawling through that. We'll check the inside units if we can. Nice tree, but very overgrown. Nice little back porch. And a detached 2-car garage. So this style is considered a neo-traditional. Roof looks in great shape from where I can tell. And we have the egress basement. Let's head on in. Nice composite front porch. The outside was awesome. The inside looks pretty awesome too. Let's take a tour of this main level. To the right of the front door looks to be a living room. To the left is a dining room. Straight ahead is a family room. We got steps going upstairs and downstairs. I'm gonna pass through into the kitchen. So here's the family room with gas fireplace. Got table space with hardwoods. Kitchen. Black appliances. Gas cooking. Got double ovens. And even an island. So here's that back porch we saw. Got a half bath in here, laundry room with sink, and a nice little sunroom with a beautiful piano in it. And vaulted ceilings, missing a fan up there or at least a light. Are we starting upstairs or downstairs? Upstairs? All right, let's go upstairs. At the top of the steps, we have a bedroom just to the right. Good size. Tall ceilings. This carpet's definitely older. And straight across is bedroom number 2. Still good size, but a little bit smaller than the last one. That looks like the master over there. Here's our 2-story foyer. Bedroom 3, another good size. Hall bathroom. And the master. Great space up here. Looks like we got his and her closets. Yep. And the master bath. Dual vanities, separate shower, big soaking tub, and separate toilet or water closet. The rest of the house has been pretty good so far. You think the basement's creepy? Let's go find out. This rec room is huge. Looks like we got a little stain on the carpet there. Looks like the same carpet that is upstairs. I just think it's old and beat up and needs to be replaced. This thing goes on for quite a while. And there's your egress. So you could convert this space here into a bedroom. Just put a wall right about here, do a closet on that side and a door on this side, or whichever. Because you have that egress point, it works. And the unfinished part of the basement and or storage room. So we got a water heater from 2020, a furnace, looks like '06. It is a gas furnace, so they tend to last a little bit longer. And coming back to look at this just one more time, I can't tell if it's '06 or 16. A lot of times they bury it in the serial number. But another way to check, potentially, is the date on the piping, and that says '05 right there. Now obviously that could have been changed out, but the likelihood is pretty slim. So I'm gonna stick with this is from '06, and it is 20 years old. And it looks like we got some rust over here as well. And it is roughed in for a bath down here. So this whole space could be a shower, or excuse me, a bathroom with a shower. And just some really good storage space in here. Somebody forgot how to install a door or drive. Look how crooked that thing is.